2 times at another beach, but I'm excited. The waves here are a lot stronger, I guess, and there's a lot more people. And it's scorching hot today. The sand is burning my feet. It's crazy hot. Hey guys, so the last time we did a video, it was about Mount Maunganui and tramping and hiking. And today we are going to climb the mountain. So it's a really hot day, and we are joined by 2 friends from the Czech Republic. Martin and I forgot your name. What? Marketa. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the start of the trail. Oh, there are seals here though. Alright, so where do we go? Do we go this way? Yeah. Finally at the top. This is a super easy hike, like half an hour and you're done. It's not as hard as Tauhara. A lot easier. And the view here is very awesome. It's super cool. I'm gonna set up my drone. Let's start flying this shit. So cold. Yeah. No, it's okay.